Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. The sun is sunny, the sun is shining. We are happy to be awake today. I'm on this phone and it's not my thing. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is going to be a vlog. I want you guys to spend the day with me. I feel so blessed this morning. Well, that's by the way. So I just want you guys to spend the day with me and do whatever I do. I'm going to make akara this morning from scratch. Although I've actually washed the beans before and they'll just keep them in the freezer. So I'll bring it out, blend and make. So spend the day with me. I want to quickly do my easy exercise. It's the track tool. So I'm going to be using it to march up and down for a few minutes before getting started. So guys, this is the first time I'm going to be using this track machine. I don't know if I should call it machine since I got it. So I want to see how it works. Since I don't have money to buy the big treadmill, let me try use this one. I hope I don't fall. Okay. Alright. It's very heavy and steady. Like as you're marching it down, it's really difficult to go down. So you have to apply pressure, right? It's not something that is super easy, lemon squeezy. And then it has the, what should I call this? The timer, the calorie timer, and the count. So it's going to count how many times or how many matches and the time you spent and how many calories you've bought. So the plan is to always do this every morning. Since I work from home, I barely go out, so I only go out during the weekends, right? Or maybe going to pick the kids from daycare, which is not even a job at this point. But since I work from home, I think this is really good. If I can be doing this 15 minutes every morning and 15 minutes every evening, I think I can start from there. Them and I put them in the freezer, so I'm just going to pour water inside and blend just a small portion. So guys, it's time for me to mix my beans. So when it comes to akara, you have to be very, very careful. This is actually a tutorial. Look at me doing tutorial for akara. You have to be very careful in adding the water, because once the mixture is too watery, your akara will not be akaraing. fry the last akara. So this is how I saved them, and it's looking really neat. You have to add little water, not everything. I think everything works. I think the consistency is perfect. I'll just wait for my oil to get hot. Meanwhile, I got some of this spices container for my spices, and the ones I got wasn't enough. So I got like more. So I'm going to just bring them out while this is getting ready so I can wash them. Because I need to wash them and refill some other So I'm done with the garlic. I'm just going to be adding it. So this is how far the ginger has come. It's going to stay here for a while. So I'll just add the garlic. So I'll see you guys when it's ready. So guys, let's see how far this has gone. Oh, it's looking good, but it's not completely dried yet, so I also have to allow it dry. The ginger is doing well, so I had to go in and cut it again. Remember, I didn't cut the garlic when I was putting it. I had to like cut it more so that it will dry faster. But we are doing well, so I'll let this sit and continue. So let me start. My glasses, they are all dried up, so I don't know where I kept my scissors. I'm going to be transferring this to a bigger container because my oats is finished, but I know I'm getting the oats tomorrow also. So this used to be here. So guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. I'm done arranging my macaroni and the rest, my nuts and everything. hopefully I'm going to get more stuff and then fill more thing. I still have like one more rack, so that's like for cookies and all. And my spices, I'm not a spicy kind of person, so I don't have too much. This is like my curry masala, my thyme, crayfish pepper and all. So I left these 2 bottles empty. Because of these. Once they are ready, I will blend and fill it into my garlic and ginger. That's that about that. Most of my spices are remaining small, so when I order from Nigeria or when I go to an African store to buy, I will just fill them in. Those are for medication. So that's it. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye guys.